Sometimes you need things to stick, but labels won't sit flush, panels shift, can be very annoying. That's where Spray Adhesive comes in.
Spray Adhesive is a quick-drying, heavy-duty adhesive that's resistant to heat, water, and moisture. It's effective on a variety of surfaces, including leather, wood, vinyl, paper, metal, cardboard, plastic, rubber, glass, and foam. The can has a 3-way adjustable spray nozzle that lets you choose between high, medium, and low spray. Using it is simple. Shake the can vigorously for a full minute after the mixing ball starts to rattle. Hold 6 to 8 inches from the surface and coat both surfaces evenly. Let it dry for 1 to 3 minutes, but do not wait more than 30 minutes. Align and press surfaces together with firm, even pressure. After using, invert the can and spray to clean the nozzle. If you want a clean, reliable stick across a dozen materials without the mess, grab Spray Adhesive and get back to work. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out Spray Adhesive and more.